Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Dice Towers is probably one of the most sought-after accessories in the tabletop gaming world, offering a blend of practicality, aesthetics, and fun. In this video, we will delve into the exciting world of dice towers, exploring their functionality, various designs, and the key factors to consider when choosing the perfect tower to elevate your gaming experience. Whether you're a seasoned gamer or just starting out, finding the right dice tower can significantly enhance your gameplay, adding a touch of elegance and excitement to every roll. Number 5. C4 Labs Travel Dice Tower. It's the perfect dice tower for gamers on the go. Its compact design and included carrying bag make it easy to take anywhere. This tower features our popular classic design with an attached, folding dice tray. No need to worry about losing pieces. The clear acrylic sides let you watch your dice roll, creating a satisfying sound and visual experience. It's almost mesmerizing. It's made with durable materials and can handle dice up to 30 sides. It's built to last. Surprise your game-loving friends with this unique and practical gift. It's designed and crafted by local artists. This beautiful tower combines the elegance of wood with the clarity of acrylic. It's a modern take on a classic gaming accessory. With its compact size and convenient carrying bag, it's ready to join you on your next gaming adventure. What we like. It's compact and easily folds for travel, but it doesn't compromise on style or quality. If you appreciate beautiful craftsmanship and need a dice tower that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing for gaming on the go, this is the perfect choice. Its unique design makes it a great conversation starter at any game night. What people say. It's an awesome compact dice tower. It comes in a black velvet bag and very easy to bring no matter where I'm playing. The first time I pulled it out in front of my party, the whole table lit up. It's screwed together and folds down. I have an oversized D20 that I got with a gift set, and a party member uses Titan dice and the other easily bounce of the agitators. The materials used on this tower are pretty high quality except for the wood. Though, the wood is just some sort of particle board, it serves its purpose well. The entire thing folds up nicely to make it easier to carry. I really like the design, size, and construction of this tower dice roller. It looks fantastic and there is nothing on it that should break, even after many years of use. Number 4. AUSPDICE Dice Rolling Tower. It's more than just a dice tower, it's a beautiful addition to your tabletop gaming experience. Crafted with care, it enhances your game and adds a touch of elegance. Each tower is meticulously hand-painted, showcasing the retro castle design. It's a unique work of art, perfect for any collector. With its 36 spiral stairs, it ensures fair and random dice rolls. It's ideal for serious tabletop RPG gaming. It's suitable for Dungeons & Dragons, Pathfinder, and many other RPGs. It's also a stunning decorative piece for your game room. It comes in a gorgeous box, making it a perfect gift for any RPG enthusiast. Show your appreciation with this unique and functional present. We stand behind our product with a 40-day money-back guarantee. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. Each one is hand-painted, giving it a unique look and feel. The design promotes exceptionally random dice rolls, essential for serious tabletop gamers. If you're a serious RPG player who values both artistry and fair play, then this is the dice tower for you. What people say. It's eminently functional, of course, but it's also just interesting to look at. The paint job and detail is just superb. The 3D printing process leaves surface details that reflects the metallic look paint beautifully and gives the entire tower an authentic, aged look. It sat flat, sturdy, sections well fitted, and made the most delightful sound when I tumbled my dice down the stairs. It's fun. And it's really cool looking, so it'll look great on the gaming shelf. The little barrels are brown and the stairs and stone textures are detailed. It's a beautiful tower, and sturdy enough to even work with heavy metal dice. Number 3. MunnyGrubbers Skull Dice Tower. It's a 6.5-inch skull-shaped dice tower, perfect for tabletop role-playing games. It's made of odorless plastic, so you can enjoy your game without any unpleasant smells. This stylish tower is made with a paintless design, ensuring it's durable and resistant to moisture. Say goodbye to chipped paint and hello to long-lasting quality. It comes with a set of 7 random D20 dice, so you're ready to play right out of the box. Get ready for some exciting rolls. Roll your dice through the opening and watch them land in the tray. Using it ensures much more random results than rolling by hand. The tray holds up to 3 dice at a time, and some designs even have removable trays for easy storage. It's both functional and convenient. It's a fantastic decorative piece for your gaming campaign and a great conversation starter for your group. It's sure to be a hit. It's manufactured by MunnyGrubbers in the USA with licensed designs by Ars Moriendi 3D and Fate's End. Enjoy quality craftsmanship. What we like. It's made from odorless plastic, ensuring a pleasant gaming experience. Plus, it comes with extra dice. If you prioritize a safe, long-lasting, and convenient option with added value, this is a great choice for you. What people say. It works great for rolling the dice and is a fun D&D addition. It is super sturdy and exactly how it is described and photographed from the seller. Looks exactly like the picture. Print could be a little smoother, you definitely see print lines, but once painted they seem to add a little to the effect. Number 2. Cusdie Bamboo Dice Tower. It provides truly random dice rolls, ensuring a fair gaming experience for everyone. Plus, it protects your tabletop from damage. It's small enough to take with you anywhere, yet spacious enough to hold a full set of standard dice. Always have it ready for your next adventure. Made from high-quality, durable bamboo, it's both beautiful and built to last. Strong magnets keep it securely closed. Use it with almost any dice game you can think of, making it a versatile addition to your game collection. It's the perfect gift for any dice enthusiast. Each one is carefully inspected before shipping, guaranteeing you receive a perfect product. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. Get yours today and elevate your gaming experience. Prepare for epic adventures and unforgettable game nights. What we like. This tower is incredibly portable thanks to its foldable design and durable bamboo construction. If you're looking for a travel-friendly and eco-friendly option that's built to last, this is it. It's perfect for gamers always on the move. What people say. This is perfect to use with them because it folds up to be the perfect size to store where you put cards. The compact size of this tower is absolutely perfect for my needs. Plus, the way it utilizes the magnets for folding is a bonus. This dice shaker is well made from sustainable material. When not in use, it can be collapsed and become an attractive container for the dice. Number 1. Forged Dice Company. Citadel Dice Set. This innovative set combines a dice tray, storage, and a tower, all in one convenient package. It's perfect for any tabletop game, especially Dungeons and Dragons. It functions as a dice tray, a storage box for your dice, and a convenient tower for rolling. The lid even doubles as an extra tray. The main tray is large enough to hold multiple sets of dice, and features slots for organizing your dice before rolling. The felt lining ensures quiet and smooth rolls. The integrated tower folds flat for easy travel and storage. Simply unfold it when you're ready to play and start rolling. It's made from high-quality PU leather and soft felt, built to withstand countless game nights. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel. Looking for a gift for a fellow gamer? This set is a perfect choice for any Dungeons and Dragons enthusiast or tabletop gamer. Dice not included. What we like. It's 3 products in one, a dice tray, storage, and tower, all easily portable. The high-quality materials ensure it will withstand countless gaming sessions. If you value versatility, durability, and convenience, this all-in-one solution is perfect for you. What people say. Build quality and materials used are fantastic. The tower, storage, and rolling area work great for my needs. This is a pretty highly crafted tower for a collapsible product. The felt is a nice touch and none of the dice have gotten stuck. The top makes a good dice rolling tray as well if you want to fill the inside with dice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.